Sartorius Tacta, M-Line and Pro-Line Plus mechanical pipettes are easy to sterilize as they are fully autoclavable. Sartorius electronic pipettes Picus Next and Picus, on the other hand, have autoclavable lower ends. Remember to never put the handle part with the electronics in an autoclave. With any pipette, in case you are using safe cone filters, remove them before autoclaving. Autoclave pipettes at 121 degrees Celsius at 1 bar pressure for 20 minutes. Read detailed instructions from the pipette user manual. It is recommended to check the performance of the pipette after every autoclaving. We also recommend to grease the piston or seal of the pipette after autoclaving the pipette 10 times.